Hello, my friend. This is my road of learning English. Take a look, subscribe to my channel, share with friends. Let's development together. If I have any mistakes, please write in the comments below. Let's start.
Bridge, neck, pain, entrance.
You bought too many batteries last time.
Share, hiking,
Easter. Entrance.
We bought a few cans of soup.
We don't need 5 kilograms of sugar.
Do you want any drinks?
I have to buy a kilogram of lemons for my cake. I have to buy a kilogram of lemons for my cake.
No, don't buy cigarettes.
Isn't in this section.
Isn't any juice?
Wow.
Our groceries were price.
Oh, there aren't any newspapers. Oh, there aren't any newspapers. Oh, there aren't any newspapers.
Isn't. Section.
Oh, there aren't any newspapers. hiking,
sausage,
neck,
receipt,
this chicken costs $5. Receipt, jelly, sausage, blood, receipt.
do you need a receipt?
They sell plastic toys at this supermarket.
That. Book. Costing. $50. Week.
Is this oil really over $10? The groceries cost $100 week.
There isn't any gum, but there is some chocolate.
Oh. Isn't. Gum. Gum. Gum.
Over.
There aren't any cool lighters here. There aren't any cool lighters here. There aren't any cool lighters here.
Book. Cost. $50. Week.
Больше.
Sorry, there isn't any gum in this store. There isn't. Sorry, there isn't any gum in this store. Store.
Luckily, there aren't any cigarettes here.
There aren't any cool lighters here. Ain't any cool here.
Jelly.
We don't have any cream at home. We don't have any cream at home. We don't have any cream at home. We don't have any cream at home.
Do you need flour? Your recipe.
We have a lot of yogurt at home. We have a lot of yogurt at home. We have a lot of yogurt at home.
How many cans tomatoes you need? Tomatoes need.
Grandma.
Jelly.
Pain.
Entrance. Crop.
Grandma. Easter.
Melon. Bridge.
Thought.
Bridge.
No. We need something else.
Which section has the alcohol? Which section has the alcohol?
The final game wasn't so bad.
She had a bad final game, and now she's retired.
Canada has amazing hockey players. Animal. Animal.
I can't believe that this bad player scored the final goal.
They didn't play so badly last year. My kids play hockey badly, but they still love it.
My cousin plays all kinds of sports.
I love to watch all kinds of sports. I love to watch all kinds of sports.
People in my country love all kinds of sports.
Maxime skates as slowly as my grandpa.
Do I play as badly as that guy? Do I play as badly as that guy?
If you look at the screen, you'll see me.
He's a great hockey player.
Screen.
Who is the best hockey player in your family?
Neck.
Rack, cry.
Screen. Thought.
If you look at the screen, you'll see me.